This Nespresso DeLonghi machine brews flavorful and deep-tasting coffee with a convenient pod loading mechanism while being easy to maintain clean. Let's take a closer look at this coffee maker. On the front of this machine is a dual height adjustable cup holder, which comes in handy because this Nespresso coffee maker can also brew smaller 4-ounce sizes. Alongside is a detachable water canister, making refilling straightforward. On top is a single push button control to toggle both power and start the brewing process. It can also be connected up wirelessly using its accompanying app. Pods felt simple to load into the machine by rotating its latch. Also included was a kit of Nespresso pods, covering a wide range of flavors in multiple espresso to full coffee sizes. This machine automatically senses and adjusts the brewing process based on the pods loaded into it. Starting the brewing process with a single button takes merely 2 to 3 minutes for it to heat up the water and dispense coffee. This espresso machine is definitely faster than I anticipated, adding convenience to brewing multiple cups in the morning. The machine does emit a bit of noise from its motor while it's running, so that is a drawback to consider. After brewing, unlatching the top does slide pods neatly into a removable tray, which makes maintaining this coffee maker feel simple and minimizes how much cleaning I have to do of the water and pod containers manually. Overall, the Nespresso DeLonghi machine blends convenience of its fast brewing speed, pod loader mechanism, and simplicity having a single control button and removable canisters. It's certainly a fun way of brewing coffee while blending in stylishly to kitchens, taking up minimal space on countertops because of its slimmer, narrower design.